Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. So today in this video I will show you how we can fix black screen preview issue with .mov format file. So first of all, before we jump into a video, let me explain you about my channel. So basically on this channel I primarily upload content related to Linux. If you are a Linux or tech enthusiast, so please make sure to subscribe my channel so that guys can get notification whenever I upload a new video. Let's jump into a video. So first of all, let me explain you the problem. So I have already installed the DaVinci Resolve in my system. Here you guys can see. Before that, let me show you my system configuration. So here you guys can see. So my laptop model is Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 and 24 GB RAM, and the processor is i5 11th gen processor. And so basically my system have two graphic cards. One is integrated graphic card and another one is dedicated graphic card. So integrated graphic card is Intel Xe and dedicated graphic card is NVIDIA 3050 RTX. So basically let me show you the issue. So let me open the DaVinci Resolve. So this is the latest version of DaVinci Resolve 21. And let me create a new project. So here you guys can see DaVinci Resolve has been opened, and let me import file. So here you guys can see. So basically I will import mp4 file. So basically Linux version of DaVinci Resolve does not support mp4 files. So basically we can't preview the video of it, and so basically we need to convert this mp4 file into a mp4, and I will share that command in the comment. And so basically I have already converted this file into mov format. So let me import this video into DaVinci Resolve. So here you guys can see I have imported the video, and you guys can also listen the audio. So but see, video preview is not visible. Here you guys can see. So let me import this video inside the timeline. See, thumbnails are visible, but video preview is not visible. So this is the issue I am facing in DaVinci Resolve. See, in cut tab also the preview is not visible. In media tab also the preview is not visible. Here you guys can see audio. I can listen the audio, but video is not visible. In Fusion tab, so here you guys can see the video is visible. It means the issue is not with the video file, the issue is with our DaVinci Resolve not able to render the video on edit page, cut page and media page. So basically this is the issue. So currently I am facing in DaVinci Resolve. So let me explain you more about this issue. So here I have created one diagram. So let me switch to full screen mode. So basically here this is my laptop, my system. So it has two graphic cards. One is dedicated graphic card and another one is integrated graphic card. So basically here you guys can see, so integrated graphic card is less powerful and run the desktop. So on the other side, so dedicated graphic card, so basically much faster, used for gaming, video editing, 3D rendering and AI. So here I have also write two things. So basically OpenGL and CUDA, and let me explain you about these things as well. So here you guys can see CUDA, it stands for Compute Unified Device Architecture. So it is a parallel computing platform and a programming model, so developed by NVIDIA, and it allows software developer to use the massive parallel processing power of the NVIDIA GPU. So this is about CUDA, and let me show you what is OpenGL. So basically OpenGL is Open Graphics Library. So it is responsible for rendering 2D and 3D vector graphics. So basically what happening is here, so basically DaVinci Resolve to render the video, it using integrated graphic card. So Intel integrated graphic card to render the video. To process the video, it is using a CPU dedicated graphic card NVIDIA RTX 3050. So basically, see, so in our machine, so basically both the graphic card, both the GPU can't communicate each other. So basically behind the scene, NVIDIA is processing the image, but OpenGL not rendering this image to the preview, because so basically these two GPUs like not communicate between each other. So that's why we are seeing here black screen. So what we need to do, so basically, so currently our OpenGL running on Intel Xe integrated graphic card. So what we want is, so I want it should run on NVIDIA graphic card. So basically it should also use NVIDIA graphic card to render the video. Then our problem will get solved. So basically, if you want to see the logs, so you can run this command. I will paste this command in the description, so you guys can check it there. Let me copy this command and run it in the terminal. This is the terminal. I have pasted the command, so you guys can increase this number as well. So here you guys can see fail to register OpenGL texture to compute API. So basically our OpenGL not able to render the video in the preview section because we don't have that data. So that data present in a dedicated GPU. So basically here CUDA process the images and OpenGL not able to access this data, so that's why it is not able to render this data in preview screen. This image is not able to render in preview screen. So basically how we can fix this issue? So basically this is the command you need to run in terminal to open the DaVinci Resolve. So basically let me explain you about this command. So first variables, it means run this application on the NVIDIA GPU. So basically this variable will run this application on NVIDIA GPU. And second command, so basically this variable will, it says use NVIDIA OpenGL library. So we are assigning here NVIDIA GPU for the OpenGL graphics preview rendering. And third command is so only NVIDIA. So basically if our application use Vulkan, so for Vulkan it should use NVIDIA dedicated GPU. And the last command, basically it's run the application. So let me run this command in the terminal, so then you guys can see I will able to preview this video. Let me quit the DaVinci Resolve. So here I have quit the DaVinci Resolve and let me clear the terminal and I have pasted this command. So here you guys can see this is the command, and now I will press enter and the DaVinci Resolve to open. And here you guys can see this is the project 2 recently which I have created. So here you guys can see now I am able to preview the video. See the preview video. So basically in this video I have explained you so how we can fix this black screen preview issue in DaVinci Resolve. So if this video is really helpful for you, so please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.